Khammagani Udaipur. Today we are at the Royal Repast from the House of Bedla, which is among one of the best food places in Udaipur. Well, Udaipur is known for its royalty, but a lot of times we fall short of such places when we want to visit one. Not anymore, as today I am taking you through this specialty restaurant where you not only get a glimpse of history and heritage of the royal legends, but also they attempt to delight you with their traditional Mewari style recipes inherited over years. Well, before stepping in, I would want to mention that it is located in the center of the city near Chetak Circle in the ancestral home of the Bedlas, known for their rich heritage cuisine. Yet it is surprising that how convenient the parking facilities are here. I honestly did not expect the parking arrangements to be on point. Well, lunchtime it is, so let me introduce you to all these dishes from the House of Bedla. This is their signature dish, lal mas, and this here is keema samosa. And then here we have cheese tartnate, and here we have keema bati, which again is a very signature dish. Here we have akhni pulao, and then comes banjara aloo in the white gravy. And lastly we have makhaniya paneer. Firstly, I'm going to try this cheese tartnate. Let's have a bite. It has that flavor of caramelized onions in it, loaded with cheese. Then I'm going to go with the keema samosa. Very nicely stuffed and it's literally bursting with flavor. So with my lacha paratha, I'm going to try lal mas first. Very soft and very flavorful. Now I'm going in for another very unique and signature dish from the House of Bedla. It is the keema bati, and I'm going to crush the bati first because you need to do it the right way. Use your hands, and now taking the first bite of it. Again, the gravy has all its magic in it. The bati is also really soft, and again with the ghee and all that shorba, it is outstanding. You need to try this. Also, not to mention that the prices here are very reasonable and affordable given all the authentic recipes and the spectacular ambience. Well, apart from their outstanding food, which I'm going to crave for a few days now, I found this place not just very royal but also very retro and vintage, perfect for all you Instagram enthusiasts. What else we ask for? Let the history speak for itself as you see the stories written on these walls and eat a little too much because it's that good. I'll take your leave now, as they say in Mewar, Padharjo. This is Dishi Purbia signing off.